Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kartika Plaza area in Kuta on 14 November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on the weekend, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kartika area on Kartika Plaza Street and Wanasegara Street on the weekend 14 November 2021. Okay guys, now we start from Bakung Sari Street to explore this area. Bakung Sari Street is very famous street because there is in between Kartika Plaza Street and Legian Street. So on this area there is a lot of hotel and souvenir shop. And before the pandemic corona in this area, always busy with people walk around on the sidewalk because right side, left side there is the shop, and there is the main street to go to art market in Kuta or Legian Street. But today we sit together in this area, look very quiet, isn't it? Even in the weekend, Bali still very quiet now. Yeah, there is some people walk around on the sidewalk. But so far we sit together, right side, left side, there is a lot of shop still closed in this area. And I make this video on 11 AM. So that's why usually there is a lot of shop is already open. But today they are still closed. Kuta Point, left side, we already explored these hotels. You can find down the video. Ramayana Hotel left side, yeah, this also looks so very quiet. And at the front there is art market. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Kuta Beach. But I turn left because we will explore Kartika Plaza Street. And yesterday I already explored Kuta area on Raya Kuta Street. But now we explore Kartika Plaza. You see right side there is fish restaurant, seafood restaurant, and left side there is stadium. But yeah, this area still look very quiet, isn't it? Kuta Paradiso right side. Yeah, that hotel also look quiet. Actually, I already explored this area around 2 weeks ago. So you can compare how the different around more than 1 week ago and today. You can find that video down this video. Okay guys, back continue driving in Kartika Plaza Street. You see this area? Look very quiet, isn't it? Yeah, Babagam looks still closed. You see today? The road is looks so empty, isn't it? It's very bad. Yeah, left side there is Waterbom Park. Yeah, actually there's a lot of car parking inside, but I cannot show you on the video because there is a lot of discount for ticket in to go Waterbom Park. And right side Discovery Mall, they are open. Yeah, some car just going in there. At the front, right side, there is Kartika Plaza Hotel. Oh, look so busy up there. A lot of car parking. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. That's good. And also left side, there is Bali Rani. 1, 2. Yeah, there is some car parking there too. That's really good. And in the right side, there is Sun Island Hotel. Also some car parking. That's good. But how come on the road is so quiet? Maybe they're still too early to make a trip in Bali. Maybe they just still stay in the hotel. and there is some taxi parking beside the street. That's good. Okay guys, we continue driving on Kartika Plaza Street. Yeah, there's some people walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. And right side, left side, there is hotels. And as I told you before, the right side there is a lot of hotel just beside the beach. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say this week is more quiet than last week. This week there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk and not so many car and motorbike drive around on the road. It is look very quiet, isn't it? And on this video, I make video around 8 minutes without skip, because like normally I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area, so you can compare step by step, week by week in Kuta Bali. Yeah, right side there's Lipo Mall. They are open but still quiet. You see right side there is the big hotel. Oh, there's a lot of car parking there. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. So share information that's good to the other people. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. If I turn left, there is the way to go to the airport, but I turn right to explore Wanasegara Street. In this area, at the end the street there is beautiful beach we call German beach, and this beach is also very famous because right there is some surfer, also fishing village, but we will explore the beach next day. In this area also very famous because there is a lot of hotels, it's big hotel and some souvenir shop. You see right side? There is Aston Hotel, it's the big hotel. And also Rama Beach Hotel right side. Yeah, Rama Beach. But there is a lot of car parking there, right? That's good. Yeah, some people stay there at the moment. That's really good. Holiday Inn, left side. Also big hotel. Okay, if I straight down at the front, there is the way to go to German Beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Kuta Bali on November 2021. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel, because you already subscribed and watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.